Hello, today I'm going to install the development system. I'm using the compiler and the IDE. A lot of you have asked what IDE I have, so let's go through it from the start and I will tell you later in the video what IDE I'm using. But first you need a compiler. You go to Google, search for Msys2, get to the first link on msys2.org, and it says software distribution and building platform for Windows. So yeah, it's Windows. So you're downloading the installer, and you see I have downloaded it a few times before, but let's just download it again. And it says welcome to Msys2 setup. Please specify directory. The default is fine. There's a start menu option is fine. And we just install it. And there we go. It's installed. It says click finish to exit Msys2 wizard, and it's checked run Msys2 if you want to run Msys2. Msys2 is Unix-like system, so you have Unix commands and a shell window. So let's zoom into that. You don't need the Unix command, so don't worry. Just scroll down. And in the middle of the page, you will probably want to install some tools like the min-gvw64 GCC to start compiling projects. That's exactly what we want. So we copy that, paste it into to the Msys2 console window, delete the prompt that sadly got copied with, and then I'm going to delete something here in the middle of this command that says ucrt, which is the new Windows library, I think. I want the old one. I want to know that this is fully compatible with everything, so I'm still running on the old stuff, but I'm doing retro also, so you can choose, of course, what you want. I haven't tried the other one really, so I know that this other one works, so I'm running what's working. After that, we're going to install GDB. The first one was the compiler. This is the debugger. We need a debugger. That also takes a little bit time to install, but not too long. There we go. I will also install make. And why not install the OpenGL utility library while we're at it? So you can install different libraries from here. It's a good terminal also to use if you know Unix commands. Now we're going to install the IDE. There's a lot of people have been asking about, a lot too at least. So I use CodeLight for the reasons stated here. It's available for Windows, for Ubuntu, for Fedora, for Mac OS, and from FreeBSD, so I could probably run it on all the computers I have. It's open source. It's not the best IDE when it comes to code completions and things like that, but I think it's kind of nice. I use it. So here we go. We have the license agreement in the installer. Accept it. Yes, accept everything. Just accept it. And it will install. And it installs faster than the compiler. Just finish that one, and it said let's start. Start ID, and it opened up on my second screen, of course. Welcome to the wizard. We want to do C and C++. Set up compilers. We can minimize everything else now. Set up compilers. Let CodeLight configure your installed compilers and help you install one. We already installed it, so let's choose the one we already installed. I like the dark version of it. So going to use that, use spaces as indent, that's fine. Just let it install. Let's see if the IDE starts. Yeah, I'm looking at the other screen because it always pops up on the other screen for some reason. So here we go. Here we have the IDE. Now let's go to settings, build settings, and let's check that the GCC is selected and that it found the glib. That was the second package we installed and we need that one. It also has selected make here, and that was a third package. So everything seems fine. The make there is missing, but it has been missing for my installations for forever, so it seems to be fine. Now just go to File, New Workspace. We're going to create a C++ workspace, even though we're going to code C, but we're going to do C++ because why not? Apparently I have something that's called the document, so I just call it document 2. And in document 2 we're going to create a new project, and in the project we're just going to type our name on the project, and I think that whatever is here is fine. We need to select something. We need to select that I want to develop a console application with simple executable. We need to select our compiler, the GCC. So type is GCC here, and compiler is GCC. And the debugger is the GDB. And then build system. In one of the videos I said I can't provide any make files because I don't have any, I don't make them, the IDE makes them for me. And here we CodeLight make file generator, that's the one that makes them. There we go. I already filled in a main. And yeah, do a hello, and that's fine. Let's try to compile that. Would you like to build a project before debugging it? Yes, always remember this. There we go. And it should have... Okay, we need... I know what's wrong. You need to pause it so it doesn't terminate. And there we go. Hello. Said hello. And just to prove that, let's stop that one and say this is all you need to start developing and earning a lot of cash. There we go. Compile that, and there you have it. So that's how you install the compiler, how you install the IDE, and how you create your first C program. Good luck.